English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B1. Benefit, go crazy, realistic. Benefit. Benefit is a noun. B1 learners usually know benefit. At B1, benefit is something that helps you or gives you an advantage. Here are some examples. One benefit of the course is that it is practical. She had the benefit of an expensive education. The discovery of oil brought many benefits to the country. Go crazy. Go crazy is a phrase. B1 learners usually know go crazy. To go crazy is to be very excited about something. Here are some examples. I may just go crazy if I hear that song again. If he doesn't stop that noise, his mother will go crazy. When he arrived, the fans went crazy. Realistic. Realistic is an adjective. B1 learners usually know realistic. At B1, realistic means seeming to be real. Here are some examples. The story in this book is very realistic. It was a cartoon film, but the animals were so realistic. You need to be more realistic about your chances of success. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with benefit, go crazy, and realistic. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for free CEFR B1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.